Hey guys, it's another Chloe video. Sorry about the background noise, that's Emily. And what we're going to be doing is taking apart a horse toy. I got this from my dad, but it doesn't really work anymore. So I got a cold sore here, and it's starting to get better, but not much. So I got a screwdriver. This has multiple screwdrivers. And then I got this screwdriver. So let's get started. Part of it already fell. Okay. These are all my dad's tools. So okay, got the first one. It's a flathead. And I'm going to try to pop out all these sockets. Unless they come out all by themselves. So, I got one of the legs off. This is the leg. It came off. Oh, there's the another leg. Fell off. So, I'm going to pause the video and let you know when I'm all finished with all of them. Okay, I'm back. Now, I got all the legs off. It's now a legless horse. This is what it did before. Oh yeah, I forgot. I took some of the batteries out already. There's, this battery was in here. And then there's these tiny disc ones that were in the neck right here. So I'm going to try to take more apart and see what happens. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering, two of the caps to the legs fell off, and then two of them survived. And then these things were in the back legs. Grab that. There we go. One of the pegs went too close to the camera, went down by my camera. So I'm going to clear my space up and see what I get next. Now, I got my slime here, random slime, I got from my friend.
And I put my pajamas on backwards.
Finney's got his pajamas on backwards because he hopes tomorrow's a snow day. So what I'm going to do with this slime, is I'm going to put all my little things in it so that I don't lose them.
Well, I'm pretty sure tomorrow's a snowstorm.
Now,
Pikachu! Pikachu to the rescue!
Now I'm gonna put. I stretched out some of my slime. Here, I'll show you guys. I stretched out a little bit of my slime so that I can put all the screws in it. Like there's one of the screws. So we got that. Now, I'm going to pause the video again and try to get more out of this horse thing. Okay, I'm back. I just noticed while I was trying to take it apart, I didn't get anything, that in the neck, there's this little tiny red wire. Do I see that? There's its eye. Now tell me guys, I want to know if you guys like my videos or not in the comments below. I don't know if I'll continue my video career or not, so let me know. down in the comments below. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video again and try to catch up. Okay, now I'm gonna be changing my screwdrivers. Smallest one I got. So if you're wondering how you get the screwdrivers out, there's this little metal piece that turns. Up at the top, there's a hole. See that? And then you turn it. Say I wanted this screwdriver. It's on that hole. Turn it upside down, and then you get it. I'm gonna try to figure out what this is. Oh, it's a super duper tiny screwdriver, just what I needed. Okay, let's continue. Like I said before, I'm gonna pause the video and get back to you guys when I found something. Okay, I'm gonna be changing screwdrivers for another time because these ones are a little bit too small. I'll show you the differences. Okay, so there's this. Can you see the differences? Now these are both the same type of screwdriver. These are not flatheads. These are, I forgot what it is called, but okay. Well, I'm gonna get a new one. And try that one. I think that there's another one like this, but bigger ones. Possibly. Let's try. Ooh. Oh, never mind. That was the same one. Why? It's just. There we go. Let's try this one. Never mind. Wait a second. Never mind that one. Huh. I'm gonna drop these pieces in there. These little tops. And the putty. Or slime, whatever you like to call it. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Now, I think I'm just gonna try this one again and see if it works or not. Because it's super duper tiny. Look at that's my fingernail against to it. That is super tall. I said tall. That is super small. And then there's the same thing on the other side. It's just a flathead. Tiny itty bitty flathead. I think I'm gonna try the flathead. See if that works. And I'll let you guys know if it does or not. So I'm gonna pause the video and you know what. I'll get back to you. By the way, that was the battery that fell. I switched back over to this one. Not that one, that was the flathead. This one, and it's super duper tiny, so. And yes, I'm at my kitchen table. I'm sitting down on my kitchen table. Oh, oops, I forgot to pause the video. Okay. They ended up not working. So, let's grab a new one. I'm gonna go with
Hey! Hey!
Woo! I'm distracted. This one.
Nicole!
Okay.
Did that belt come off already? Oh, it sounded like it did. Where are the marshmallows? Because they're not in there. Well, I thought it came with them. Yeah, there's
I'll
no
be a
marshmallows.
second. Okay, I'm back. It's just that we're gonna make Rice Krispies tonight. Not anymore. I'm gonna pause the video again and see what happens. Okay, that'll be the end of this first episode. I'll show you the results of what I got. I'm just gonna set it up real quick and I'll get back to you. Okay, this is the end of the video. Over there's my door. It's too outside. It's nighttime right now. I am using my phone for this, so. Okay, so what we got for this video is we had some slime, 3 little batteries or discs, these screwdrivers, this big battery, and this long screwdriver. Okay.
Where's my screwdriver?
You got the leg pieces, and then the body, and then this is the stomach piece, and the neck piece, screws. There was a third one, but that one went missing. Got 2 fixed pieces and then 2 broken
Where's
pieces.
the new belt?
Leg pieces, too. So, that was the end of this video. Oh my gosh, my cold sore is terrible looking. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.